Hi beautiful viewers, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to share with us how to draft a basic skirt pattern as a straight skirt or as a pencil skirt. So here are the basic measurements we needed: the vertical measurement and also the horizontal measurement. I'm using this small pattern paper. Firstly, I have two lines there. One will serve as my zipper allowance, which is at the vertical line there, and while the other one will serve as my band allowance. Depends on the measurement you want for your band. So the horizontal measurement there will serve as my band. So now the next thing to do is to measure my skirt length, which is 12 inches. So now the next thing I need to measure is my hip line measurement. And for this pattern, I'll just be working with a random number. So for this, I'll be working with 5 inches for the hip line. And the next thing also to measure my nail length. Also, I just select a random number too. So I'm using 9 inches here. Now let's take the horizontal measurement, that is the circumference of each measurement. So for my waistline there, the circumference I'll be working with is divided by 4. I chose a random number divided by 4, and I also included a dart allowance, that is 1 inch, 1 inch for sewing allowance. My hip line also, then divide the circumference by 4, then plus 1 inch for seam allowance. The nail line, the total measurement I'm having at my hip measurement, that is the total circumference measurement there, that's the same number that I'll be working with at my nail length and also at the full length. So here we go with it. I have like 6¾ at the hip line there, so I also measure like 6¾ there, and also at the full length also I measure 6¾ and the next thing I did was to join the lines together.
This is for a straight skirt, for a straight one. So the next thing to do is to measure for the darts. So for the darts, I'll be using 2. Then I'll come to the hip line. So that is, I make use of 4 divided by 2, that's 2. So then I'm going to divide the darts into 2 also. I find the midpoint here. Then I advance up 5. Then just for this vacancy. So these are my back leg starting. And this one is Now let's draft for a pencil skirt. For a pencil skirt, all I need to do is I will adjust the at the full length. I'm going to -1 or -1.5. That is 1.5. It depends on how pencil you would like it. So that's the difference between the pencil skirt and a straight skirt. So just come here. I'm going to deduct it by 1 for this pattern. This will serve as a pencil. So, and this will be the zipper. The zipper allowance. It depends on what you would love. You can use 1 inch or 1.5 or 1.5. Depends on choice. So the next to do, let's assume this is the back. I'm just going to adjust. So let's assume this is the front skirt. All I need to do right now is to come in by half at this point here. The reason for this, for the skirt to sit well, then do what? Connect. Connect from this edge to this point. So while cutting, we cut here, we cut through here, we cut through this place. This will serve as the front pieces. Then this, while this point you do need to cut, it will serve as the back pieces. Then plus the zipper, remember, plus zipper. That's all. That's the difference between the front and the back pieces. We also extend it. We extend the line for the back pieces. For the back, you cut in this frame. And the back pieces. For the pencil skirt, then also extend this line here. Same, and if for straight skirt, it's just going to be for this front straight down to the full length you are working with.
To see more on how to cut and sew on a fabric with a pencil skirt or a stylish pencil skirt is up on my channel. Kindly check. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Let me know what you think of this video if you would love to see more of it. Bye for now.